Now I want to make a buttonhole, and the buttonholes are in mode 1. As you can see on your stitch card, there are 8 different buttonholes that you can stitch out. We have keyhole buttonholes, bar tack buttonholes, and even some stretch stitch buttonholes. I want to sew the regular bar tack buttonhole number 26. On my LCD screen, I see that my presser foot needs to be D, which is the buttonhole foot, and I need to bring down the buttonhole lever, and I'll do that whenever I put my foot on the machine. Before I place my button in the buttonhole foot, I'm going to mark where I want the buttonhole on my project. So I'm going to place the button down on my fabric and mark a line on the bottom of the buttonhole. And then I'm going to use a ruler and just draw a straight line to help guide me. Take your buttonhole foot and open up this top part where you see a little button icon. Place the button inside and push on the top so that it's snug. Now I'm ready to put the buttonhole foot on my machine. So I'm going to remove whatever foot's already attached and put this one on. Then bring down your buttonhole lever. Take your fabric and line up this mark so that you can see it in this opening. Lower the presser foot lifter and start sewing. When the machine is done with the buttonhole, it will stop on its own. Raise the presser foot and remove the fabric. And since the machine already tied off the stitch for you, you can just go ahead and trim the threads. Now I want to open up my buttonhole so we can put our button through it. I'm going to take a pin and put it through the top of my buttonhole so that we don't cut through the bar tack. Take the seam ripper that came in the accessory tray, and we can use it for opening up buttonholes too. I'm going to insert it in the bottom and let her rip. Remove the pin, and now we have a buttonhole perfectly sized for our button. Now let's look at how to change a needle.